Hey guys! So today I'm here to show you how to do curls with your straightener. It's so easy to do, but trying to explain it is sometimes a lot more difficult than it is to just show you. So I have my flat iron heating up. This is the only way I do it on myself for a day-to-day basis. I do prefer the way that a wand does curls, but for day-to-day this is a lot easier and I can do it on myself and I can reach the back of my head. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So you'll need a sectioning clip so that you can do the underneath and then the top, and also just to make sure you get the back. So just section the top of your hair away. And I'll pull this bottom section into two, one on each shoulder. And then I like to start at the back so that I know it's done. So all you do is clamp down like you're gonna straighten, but then turn your flat iron over and pull. Ever see those ones? Maybe I'll start at the front today so that you guys can actually see what's happening. So I take a section about this big. I like my curls a little bit on the more wide side. So you take that, you clamp down, flip your straightener over, and then pull through. Just like that. I typically like to wear my curls with a straight bottom. That's like the trend right now. So I usually wouldn't pull it all the way through. I just did that to show you all. And another thing to note about curling your hair with a straightener is if you go really fast, you'll get wider curls, bigger curls. And if you go slow, you'll get tighter curls like this one. The reason is that if you're going slow, it really takes the time to heat up your hair so you get a nice bouncy curl. I'll go faster this time. See that curl is a much different shape. There's only about one turn through it. So clamp down, turn over, and pull. See? You don't have to be too specific about having them all the same size. In fact, I prefer the way it looks when I don't do that, so that's why I don't mind having some that are wider and then some that are tighter. Depending on how much hair you have, you might have to do like 3 sections, but for me, I don't have a lot of hair. I have naturally straight hair. So for this top section, I'll bring down this side, and I'll just clamp away this side, just so I know for sure that everything at the back is done. You don't need to clamp your hair too tightly. Actually, if you do that, you'll get an indentation where you clamped your straightener. So just lightly hold on to it enough to grab. My whole side's done, so I'm gonna bust it up a little. Good. Okay, so total time I have 1 piece left to curl my whole head, and that was describing what I was doing is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So it really doesn't take that long. If I'd have been going fast and not talking to the camera, it probably would have been more like 3 minutes. So just a quick review since it's my last piece. You're gonna clamp down, turn it over, and pull. Magic! Alright, so I hope that was helpful. I like to bust my curls a bit so that they don't look so perfect. So once you're done, give it a shake, or throw your head upside down. And you can spray. I prefer to just spray underneath to give it some texture and so that it's not hairspray too much on top. Alright, so that's how you use a straightener to curl your hair. And thanks for coming back again today, and I'll see you guys next time.